All right, what's up, everybody? Bryce here, coming at you with another real quick crypto market update, and it's a big one. This is a really significant announcement that we saw out of Morgan Stanley just this morning. Morgan Stanley has a fleet of financial advisors, Wall Street marketing muscle, and what they just announced is that they are going to be, on August 7th, or should I say starting on August 7th, they're going to be soliciting the Bitcoin and the Ethereum ETFs to their clients, okay? This is really big. This means that I think Morgan Stanley said that they had 15,000 financial advisory groups that kind of all fall under the Morgan Stanley umbrella with, hundreds of thousands of clients, maybe millions of clients, with deep pockets, right? This is the wealth management of Morgan Stanley, and they are going to be soliciting these crypto ETFs. That means they're going to be calling, they're going to be emailing, they're going to be texting their clients, telling them they got the next big thing, that this is now approved. This is something we've been waiting on literally for 6 months, okay? When Bitcoin, or I guess 7 months, 8 months. Now here we are already in August. It's crazy how quickly the time flies. Ever since the Bitcoin ETFs launched in January 11th of 2024, 8 months ago, we've been waiting for these sort of solicitations from the Wall Street marketing muscle. Now we have the stamp of approval for those ETFs, and they're going to go live. Now, they're not marketing every crypto ETF. They're really marketing the Bitcoin ETF and the Ethereum ETF from BlackRock and Fidelity, which are the two largest, the two of the cheapest, and pretty good. In other words, one of the things that they're not doing is pushing the Bitcoin futures ETFs. Which have a lower price tracking. They're much more expensive and all that stuff. They're really pushing these BlackRock and Fidelity spot ETFs. Needless to say, this is all starting to the first domino to fall. Again, Morgan Stanley, because guess what? Who's behind them? Probably going to be Merrill Lynch and Wells Fargo and UBS and JP Morgan. They all have those sort of divisions where they have several thousand financial advisors that all kind of fall under their umbrella. With, again, hundreds of thousands to millions of clients that are now going to be getting those phone calls that, hey, these Bitcoin ETFs, they're approved. We can go out and start marketing them. So this is big because what do they say about every bull market? What ties together every bull market? There's one common theme. One common theme. And for folks who've been following me for a while have probably heard me say this. I didn't make it up. I heard this from Paul Tudor Jones. He said, who was one of, multi-billionaire, I think $6 billion net worth. He's founded dozens of hedge funds, very successful. He said the only thing that ties together every bull market in history is an ever-expanding universe of buyers, new buyers. And guess what this tells us? That we are now going to have an ever-expanding universe of new buyers for these crypto ETFs. And the ETFs, they actually hold crypto, right? So if somebody goes out and they buy a Bitcoin ETF, well then that fund is going to need to go buy Bitcoin off of the exchanges, off of Coinbase, off of Bitstamp, and so on and so forth. So this is a really, really good sign. It just means that the first domino has fallen, and that we're going to get that Wall Street marketing muscle shilling crypto. And this is going to be really, really, really big. So I'm using every possible opportunity to accumulate more crypto at these levels. There is just so much excitement, so much new energy that's going to be entering the market. So despite a little bit of those short-term fluctuations, don't get scared out. Don't be selling to Wall Street because this is what they want. They want to get the lowest price possible before they start shilling these things come August 7th. And so don't sell. This is literally what I'm viewing as one of the most bullish events that we've seen since the launch of these ETFs. So anyhow, I'm really excited. And I hope that you guys are too. Again, don't sleep on this. Don't wait. Don't let this opportunity pass you by to accumulate more Bitcoin, more Ethereum, more of these fundamentally strong altcoins that I think are going to rise sort of in the, as the sort of rising tide is going to lift all ships. I think some of these altcoins are going to perform even better than Bitcoin and Ethereum. So there's a lot riding on this. I am so excited, and I hope that you guys take every opportunity to stack more crypto during this slight dip, because guess what? There's new buyers that are coming, and these guys have the real money. Okay, they've been waiting patiently for this approval, and we got it. So anyhow, that's your crypto market update. Now, also real quick, if you don't already have a service that you're subscribed to where you could get actionable insights every day, videos, live streams, market newsletters with buy zones and sell zones, portfolios, model portfolios with what we view as the best crypto assets. If you don't have that, but you want it, guess what? We've got an offer. For 1 week, we could give you a $1 trial, okay? So you give us $1, we give you 1 week of all the good stuff that we got. And then you could decide from there what you want to do. But I highly, highly suggest you check us out. Click that button, click that link below. Again, $1, 1 week trial to Crypt Nation. Come and see all the fundamental, technical, and incredible analysis that we do with our team of analysts here at Crypt Nation. All right, we'll see you inside.